Have you ever looked at an ArcGIS dashboard and wondered how they did that? Maybe it's an impressive chart or a cool color scheme. There's a way to copy a dashboard and open it in edit mode to take a peek behind how an element was created. And I'll show you this hack. Let's take a look. Start by signing into your ArcGIS Online or Enterprise account and go to your ArcGIS Dashboard's homepage. Then you want to hit Create Dashboard. That will route you to /new at the end of your URL. Copy the item ID of the dashboard you'd like to save a copy of. Those are the last digits at the end of the URL. Head back to your ArcGIS Dashboard's homepage, and in the address bar at the end of the URL after new, add the #ID equals, and then copy in the item ID that you just copied, and then hit enter. The page will load with the title, tags, and summary already filled in the dashboard that you're copying. Click the Create Dashboard button and it'll open up the copied dashboard in edit mode. You can now start exploring how the dashboard was made and save it in your own organization. And you can prevent others from copying the dashboard by going to its item details page, go to the settings tab, and uncheck the property Allow for others to save a copy of this item, and click Save. If others try to copy, they will get an error message.